Ayan, ita-timelapse ko na lang. As you can see, naghahanap ako ng coloring material na related sa story namin bukas. After nun, in-edit ko na siya sa publisher, then I printed, folded, and cut it. Ito nga rin pala ang mga ginawa nila last Sunday. It was about Moses and the burning bush.
Moses and the burning bush. Ano ba itong bush na gano'n?
You know her already, right?
Hello!
You've seen her in the previous vlogs. Hi.
Hi, vlog!
Pupunta kaming church. So, yung house na to, house to ng member namin sa church. And then, we do our story time from the Bible here sa bahay niya. And then, we're going to the church. It's just there, walking distance. Bye!
Bye!
Guys, malakas na kami, guys. Yung Danao. Yan yung church, yung red roof. Red roof. So, ayan. Ito kami nagpa-Bible study with the kids. So, magsa-start na yung service. Bye!
Next Sunday, my